YouTube. Welcome to not new tutorial. Make a broken text in Cinema 4D with Frowsy. I will show you how to get Frowsy from the net. Yeah. And it will look like the text on my desktop. Okay, you will need Frowsy, which I told you first. And I will set up the link down in the description. Frowsy includes a version for 11.5, R12, R13, R14 and R15, how you can see here. And you need to download this, then you need to go down to the Maximum folder, to Cinema 4D, to plugins, and then copy the folder you downloaded in that folder inside. Okay, first of all I make a ground and a sky. Then um, then I create a tag, collision tag, down here showed. No, collision tag make like the object can't go through the ground like gravity thing. No, I have here my cube. I can deform it like I want to, how I want to. Then finally I use the Frowsy plugin. Let's make it um, 65 pieces. No break it. You see it works. Okay. You can see it breaks automatically without doing anything. You can see it better if I increase the height of this object. You see it's splitting automatically. I want to change that. Now I change the collision to break by collision. I mark this. Now I make this crash to the ground. Boom, you see? Cool thing. Okay. One other thing is, you can break objects not by hitting the ground, but other objects hit that object. I will show you now. First of all, I make a tag on this other cube. Then I mark this and let this cube go through my broke object. Boom, looks cool. And now let's look how this looks when I render it. Okay. Render. Looks pretty nice, huh? One other thing is that Frowsy creates two textures which you can change, inside and outside. Let's change them and look how it looks like. Make this one gray. Oh, again gray. And make the other one my favorite color, hollow blue. Let's see how this gonna look. One other sick effect is when you make it glow, but it's too much glowing. I will decrease it. Let's render. Looks sick, hmm? Okay. Look a little bit like my background here, my wallpaper. Okay. There are further other options, but um, I only tried two of them. First, um, to break it now, and the other is by collision, what I showed you now. Okay, the other one I even didn't try it. You see, Frowsy is better than X-Breaker in some things, and I prefer to use Frowsy than X-Breaker. Let's show how Frowsy works with texts. Make it with our shortcut ATTS. Okay, change the font. Make it strong fonts. Maybe a little slow, yeah, smaller, thicker. Now flip it to the ground. Bring it up. Grab this texture here. Now use Frowsy. In Frowsy you can enter how much pieces you will use per letter, but you see Frowsy won't work on text well, so it's it split them to the letters, not to the pieces. You must choose every letter and break them single. Okay, done its work. Let's see if we can change the textures like that. I'm not sure at that. Let's see. Yeah, it works. My fault. It works. Okay, let's change the collision. And let's make this thing hit the ground. You see, it looks sick, hmm? Scroll in, tilt, scrub a bit. Okay, okay, let's render. Oops, I forgot to delete the text. Just delete that. Let's look. Looks nice, huh? But a little darken. Let's place some lights. Make it a bit bigger. And make a shadow. Let's look now. Looks nicer. Okay. Let's make this glow only to look what this looks like. Decrease. these volumes here. Now render. Looks looks a little bit like my wallpaper. Okay, what I can show you now, I'm thinking, yeah, I quite think it was my tutorial, but you see you can choose other perspectives. Which do you want most? Like, wait a second, I scrub a little bit, search the right moment. Let's look how this looks from this perspective. Looks nice. Yeah, I think this was my tutorial. Yeah, this was my tutorial. Bye.